Next is financing the plan. After discovering, after analysis and assembling the requirements, assembling the resources. Next is estimation of the funds that should be done by the entrepreneur. How much funds are required to implement that idea? How much capital of an entrepreneur, and how much capital he raised from the other sources, like from the banks, from the financial institutions. So these are the promotional roles. Next is managerial roles. The management roles: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, and coordination. These are the important roles. Planning, बच्चे, to decide first what to do, how to do, when to do, whom will do. Yes, so to decide the objective, why they want to set up an enterprise, what they want to achieve. Yes, it should be done in the planning function. The decision that should be taken, that are to be taken in the planning function. Next is organizing function. An entrepreneur creates a structure of an enterprise, who defines the roles and responsibilities of each and every worker or each and every employees in the organization. Staffing function involves the hiring peoples for the various position in the organization. How many peoples that are required, how many labor that are required in your organization, what is the hiring process of your organization. You will hire people from the direct interview, or there is any test, written test, or a written test should be there. So it should be decided in the staffing function by an entrepreneur. Next is directing involves the execution plans, the directions that are given by an entrepreneur to the employees through the leadership. He should be lead his fellows. Through the communication, he should be communicate with the all members of the enterprises, employees, managers, motivate them. And supervision means he should be check the work that should be done by the employees. Next is controlling means to say that it's a process of evaluating performance, whether whatever you will decide first and whatever you have done, it should be matched or not. And if it should not be matched, then take the corrective action if there is necessary. Next is coordination means synchronization the activities and efforts of various individuals and grouping in the organization for the achievement of the common goals. So in coordination, all the different parts of the organization, different departments or different parts of the organization that have to work together as a team, so their output should become effective and profitable. So these are the managerial roles of an entrepreneur. And the last one is commercial roles. The first role is production. Production includes the creating to produce the goods and services for the people. So we have to sell these goods and services to our customer or to our consumers. Marketing involves offering the product and services for the satisfaction of the consumer needs. It's the only function which generates revenue for the enterprise, profit for the enterprise. Personnel, it involves the employment, development, and compensation of employees. Compensation, providing salary, bonus, wages to the employees, providing various working conditions and facilities to the workforce. Next point is बच्चे accounting. Next function is accounting. Accounting function involves the systematic recording of enterprise transactions. Accounts should be prepared of every enterprise of an financial year, so that at the last of financial year they will easily ascertain whether they will get profit or whether they will get loss after the financial completion of the financial year. And the last is finance function. Finance, as we will call the blood is required for our life, as if finance is considered to be an blood of every enterprise. So whether we want to start up a new business, whether we want to expand or diversify, there is a change of any activity or any product line in the business. So entrepreneur looks after the financial needs of the business. He will analyze the various sources of finance, how he can arrange them, and whenever there is a requirement of the finance, how he easily arrange them. So these are all are the functions, commercial functions of an entrepreneur.